Not too far away, boys, here in Kaufman, picking up this 400 EX. Head home, boys. Go get this DS650. 07 TRX 400 EX. On to the next one. What's up, boys? Almost back from picking up this TRX. If you missed the live video, I'm sorry. Just turn on your bell notifications. Got a lot of this stuff cleaned up out here going towards the creek. I'm gonna get onto some of these trails. And that pond's full, dudes. You can see the trails that go out in the woods there. And we've got another entrance down there I need to clean up. We got another entrance there I gotta clean up. I was brush hogging earlier this week. Look at this shit. Getting some of this cut down that's 5 foot friggin' tall. On up into there and a few more spots where we can go fishing. I poured the gravel all around the house again this year and the road base there. So we can actually seed this yard as soon as they're done building. And we'll have us a nice yard again, boys. She don't look that great now, but look at that motor, boys. It's got low hours, new back tires, pretty decent front tires. I'm gonna order the hood. They didn't give me that. They only have one of the side covers. We're gonna have to do the seat in the car, but it's not in horrible shape, guys. It's a big, good little money maker. Let's go get this DS. I'm going to get this CANAM DS650, 2005 Oregon title. Comes with some goodies and it's supposed to be ready to ride. So we'll find out. We're gonna go over here and pick it up. I'm gonna see if he'll let me take a live video while I'm there. If he is, if he will, then we'll get y'all a good one, boys. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, he doesn't want to be on a live video, so we're just gonna have to settle for you seeing it afterwards. You know, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna get it bought, and then I'll give you a live video on the way home. It's a short drive, but I'll give y'all one. And you know, maybe I get here and he changes his mind, but I doubt it. So I asked him straight up. He said he'd rather not be on video. I get that, but maybe I can ask him to hold the camera. Maybe I can offer him $100. You know what I mean? Who knows? We'll see. Here's a quick look at her before we get her down. DS650, back seat, another set of wheels and tires, shift fork, couple starter solenoids, a key switch, a full clutch in there, a couple carburetors, bunch of brake pads, new chain, another carburetor, starter, and a full exhaust in there and a new set of handlebars. Holy crap. So Parker, we got a 400 EX today too. We're looking for something to replace Parker's blaster, dudes. What was the first thing you said about this? It's big. Got the Fox shocks. So he went over backwards and broke the mount for the exhaust, I guess, and tried to fix it. But he's got a brand new one in there. So we'll get this out real quick.
That is a big floor. Huh? That is a big floor.
Hush, dog. Let's see if she runs, boys. Badass, right? I'm gonna pull it over here, pull my dogs inside, change these back tires, put the new exhaust on, get y'all some ripping video. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Let's see what all we got with it, boys. Let's start here. What we got here? New stator, brand new stator. New starter in this box. I want to say this was either a coil or maybe a solenoid or something. He's got a couple ignition coils in here and a couple starter solenoids, I guess, in case he needed them. Here we've got, which I'm gonna, oh shoot, I'm gonna put this on. Not the chain. He's got new chain sprockets. Just brand new headlight. Boom, and the headlight works. Another new carburetor. What we got here? New shift fork in case we need it. New ignition switch. And a whole clutch right there. The basket for inner and outer everything. Lots more in here. Brake pads. Another new carburetor, dudes. More brake pads. A new set of bars in here. Quad Boss bars, I guess. Which I may put on them because these are a little ugly right here. So that may give us something to do tomorrow. And then look at this, the coupe de grass. We don't need that. Whatever we do, we're not gonna put the baffle in it. Whatever we do. Look here, dudes. Huh? Hold up now. Huh? Huh? Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Let's see what you look like. Full exhaust, Rolo. Ho ho, look like an old katana. Stupid dog. Damn, that's going on. Foist. So, he likes HMF. Let's get that one off of here. Let's see what kind of power commander he was talking about or what kind of programmer we got in here. The air filter was good and clean. I wonder where that down. Toolkit in here. Little wrench set and a socket back there. The full factory toolkit under the seat. Wonder what kind of CDI he's got on it. Oh, there it is. Big gun, over rev. Ooh-wee! Man, a lot of stuff he did to this. For real, guys. So, I bought the 650 from you. Check it. Zilla right there. There's a Banshee I'm finishing up. That's going to be on the channel later this week. Lots of other machines, man. CR500 right there to be good in the dunes. That'll be ready next week. Get up in there, man. TRX 250R. Dudes, if you're watching this video, be sure and get up in there, man. Like and subscribe. Thursday's Banshee build's going up. That one's done. She's going up Thursday. We're going to ride this orange one and give Blake and David a shot at it. Maybe some Zilla action. So I pulled the old HMF off really easy. 3 springs. Let me put some boogers on that there. Try to fix it. So we got this over here, and it seemed like in the box here, right here. New springs. So we're going to get her mounted up. I'll be right back, boys. That old crusty thing. Yeah, get up in there, dudes. I haven't cleaned it up yet. I just swapped the back wheels and tires so we could ride it a little smoother. And I put the exhaust on it. Checked the brakes, kind of inspected all the pivot points in the frame and stuff. Make sure that we're good to ride it. I believe we are. Got the HMF on there. New springs and hardware. Check this out, boys. Got a new set of handlebars needs to go on it. Here, I'll give y'all a real spiel. Parker's gonna ride it too, boys. What you think about that? I'm gonna ease up into it, boys. Now, this ain't no 2-stroke. I don't really got nothing to worry about. New exhaust. Okay. All right, we're okay. That's for all y'all that are scared to go over backwards. 13 years old, boys. Just graduated the 7th grade. Big sucker. I'll see what you can do. Easy, boy. It's a lot of power. Down one. Let it out slow. Little gas. Little gas. Yeah, buddy. No. Oh, up. Second gear. Up. It's like riding a jet ski, guys. It's big and plush. It's like a turd sandwich. You don't know what to think, dudes. Easy, boy. First time on it, guys. That was my first time on it. You seen what happened to my stupid ass. Easy, easy now. Hey, stop it real quick. What do you think? Huh?
Really powerful.
Really powerful?
Yeah. Really.
It's all on the bottom of the throttle too, huh? You don't have to rev it out or nothing. Just here, give me.
It was already super fast.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Did you feel that wheelie you pulled right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. DS usually comes factory with bead locks. Factory wheels on it. 5-speed manual clutch, 4-stroke, 650 cc's. I'm assuming it's twin cylinder, but it may not be. I don't know. Now it's just dual headers, 1 cylinder, I think, guys. We have a new headlight forward in there. Let's see if this one works. Yep, it does. Electric start, no reverse on these bad boys. They're 4 strokes. It's a Rotax 650. This is an 04 model. And it's got an HMF exhaust. Get up in there, dude. Straight out of Oregon. HMF exhaust. The big gun over rev. See how quick it revs up, Bubba?
Yeah.
Revs up quick, don't it?
I know.
Got some power or what?
Yeah. Jeez.
Yeah?
That's cool though.
You think it's too much for you, or could you build up into that?
Probably build up with it.
If it had reverse, I'd be keeping it for you. I want a 400. This is 650. I got a 400EX back there I bought today with reverse, and when I'm done with it, I'm thinking about upgrading you from the blaster.
Yeah.
That's
cool.
So we threw the exhaust on it, guys. He gave me that new. Lots of new parts came with it. Shoot, it's got some Nerf bars on it. I want to say they have Fox shocks all the way around usually. And what we got here, let's see. Thought they had podiums on them. I believe they do, but they're reservoir shocks. Disc brakes, and comes with a sweet speedometer. Is it neutral? No.
The cat over there slowly walking.
Watch him, Cab. There's a big snake over there I got. She's a hunter. Guys, pretty badass machine. One more sound check. Ooh-wee. It's an awesome quad, ain't it? You like it? Let me see the helmet. We're racing it tomorrow with some 2-strokes. You can come out and ride with us. We're going to run it with the 250R and the white Banshee.
Cool.
So you guys get up in there. Be sure and like and subscribe. Tomorrow's Pit Bike Monday, dudes. We got a sweet pit bike video coming for you. Thursday is going to be the Banshee, conclusion of that Banshee build. And we got a lot more coming up, boys. So get up in there. Can you handle that? Well, as you guys can see, tire got a little low on me. That's all happened. I meant to go up on one wheel, meant to get thrown over on my stomach like an idiot, meant to flip it over backwards. Y'all are scared. Timid little kitty cats. You know what I mean? I get something new, I'm trying to wear her out the first day. That's just my style. Appreciate it, boys. Been a good Sunday. Time to eat something, you know what I'm saying? Watch these Mavericks win. Sorry, Clippers. maybe next year.